Good morning everyone, this is Samasmita and today we are going to do the comprehension part of chapter number 4 ईदगाह. ओके, तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और वीडियो थोड़ा भी पसंद है तो लाइक जरूर करें. तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. comprehension नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. ए, व्हाई आर द बॉयज एक्साइटेड? बच्चे क्यों बहुत एक्साइटेड थे? The boys are excited because Eid has come and their pockets bubble with coins. They keep counting and recounting it. B. What are the boys planning to spend their money on? बच्चे किस पे पैसे खर्च करने के लिए प्लान कर रहे थे? महमूद हैज 12, मोहसिन हैज 15. महमूद के पास 12 था, 15 था मोहसिन के पास. एंड दे हैव प्लान्ड दैट दे विल बाय टॉयज, स्वीट्स एंड मोर थिंग्स. बच्चे टॉयज खरीदेंगे, स्वीट्स खाएंगे और बहुत कुछ करेंगे. सी. व्हाई इज ग्रैनी अमीना worried and upset? Granny Amina is worried because Hamid's parents had died last year. She thinks that if Hamid's father would have been alive, then they would have a very different Eid. She thinks that if he would get lost in the fair. D. Which details from the story shows us that Hamid is very poor. Hamid has no shoes, his cap is soiled and tattered. His gold thread was turned black and is poorly dressed and famished looking. Thus it shows that he is very poor. What do the boys eat and drink at the fair? The boys bought toys and after that some bought sesame candy, others gulab jamuns. They were at a stall drinking sarbat. Why does Hamid buy a pair of tongs? Hamid bought a pair of tongs because he thought that each time his granny bakes chapatis, the iron plate burns her hand. If he were to buy them, she would be pleased. The boys have good imaginations. What other things can the pair of tongs be or be used for? Pair of tongs across soldier can be used as a gun. When clanked together, they are Campbell's. One smack and they can reduce all toys to dust. Thus, tongs are like brave tiger. The tongs are champion of India. H. What toys does Mohsin buy? Mohsin bought a water carrier. Then, think these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. I. In what ways is the pair of tongs better than the toys? Tongs are in many ways better than the toys, which would break within short time. Tongs, when carried on soldiers, they are a gun. When clanked together, they are Campbells, and also they can reduce all the toys to dust. They are the champion of India. They can even withstand fire, which none other toys can do. J. Read through the story and note the actions and words of Mohsin. Then describe his character. While reading the story and noticing the actions and words of Mohsin, he was a very caring boy. After listening to the suggestions of Hamid, Mohsin says, "Give me your tongs for a while. You can have my water carrier for some time." K. At the end of the story, why is Hamid's grandmother overcome by emotions? Hamid's grandmother was overcome by emotions when she sees a pair of tongs and scolds his for buying them. But when Hamid told that he bought them so that she wouldn't burn her fingers on the iron plate, then her anger transformed into love. Then number 2, answer the questions about these lines from the story. If only her son were there, it would be a very different Eid. Hamid would not have to go to the fair on his own. A. What has happened to Hamid's parents? Hamid's parents died last year. B. What has his grandmother told him? His grandmother tells him that his parents have gone to Allah and will return with silver and gifts. See, what does Hamid go to the fair with? Who does Hamid go to the fair with? Hamid go with all the villagers and with the boys to the fair. Then number D. How do you feel about Hamid? Hamid is a small innocent boy who is not much aware of all things. He is selfless, nice and loving boy. Then working with words. Below are some words taken from the story. Write them in your notebook and then look in a dictionary to find out what they mean. Use them in a sentence of your own. So, number A, munch. Munch यानी कि कोई चीज को चबा चबा के खाना. To bite and eat something noisily. इसका sentence ये है. The girl smiled and began to munch a sandwich. B. Tuts. To walk in a proud way. She told him not to strut around because it made him look silly. Worry, चिंता करना, to think that something bad might happen. You have nothing to worry about. Retorts, to reply quickly to what somebody says in an angry way. She opened her mouth to retort but stopped. Buzzing, to be full of excitement. The buzzing in her ears was too loud. Then stumbles, to hit your foot against something when you are walking or running and almost fall over. The horse stumbled and his rider was thrown heavily to the ground. Then wails, to cry or complain in a loud. The woman began to wail in mourning. Flings, to throw something. The kite was being flung by Rohan. Then comforts, to try to make somebody feel less worried. All our sports and designed for comfort and performance. Then number 2, match the person to the description of what they do. A dash is a person who manages a store and sells items. A person who manages store and sell items क्या होगा? शॉपकीपर. SHOPKEEPER. A dash is a person who is very religious, जो बहुत religious है. Holy woman, चाहे वो man हो या woman. Then a dash is a person who washes clothes, जो कपड़े धोते हैं. Washer, woman. Washer. A dash was a person who transported water from wells to homes before pipes were common. Water carrier. A dash is a person who works in a government, जो गवर्नमेंट में काम करता है. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? मिनिस्टर. A dash is a person who rules kingdom. King या फिर queen जो kingdom को चलाता है. A dash is a person who looks after cow and milks them. Cowman. Cowman लिख देते हैं. यहाँ पे है milkmaid भी लिख सकते हैं. A dash is a person who represents crime and keeps order. Police officer. Okay, turn over the page. Learning about language. Types of sentence. 1. Write the following in your notebook. Say whether they are statements, question, exclamation or command. A. Don't leave me here alone. Command. यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है कि मुझे अकेले मत छोड़ो. This is your only chance. ये स्टेटमेंट है, ये तुम्हारा बस आखिरी चांस है. Get out of my house. कमांड दिया जा रहा है. What a wonderful mountain that is! Exclamation. Is it the highest mountain in India? Question पूछा जा रहा है. Okay, then number 2. Change the following statements into question. A. My father is coming with me to Ranchi tomorrow. Question कैसे बदलते हैं? Each को बाहर लेके और सेंटेंस को फिर से वैसे लिख के. इसका मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, कॉपी में देख लीजिए. Each my father coming with me to Ranchi tomorrow. Number B. We are going in his jeep. Are we going in his jeep? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन मार्क हो. The road is very steep. Is the road is very steep? Then D. I don't like driving in the jeep. Don't I like driving in the jeep? Then E. We shall get there at 5:30. Shall we get there at 5:30? Okay, then question mark. Then tense. Sometimes talking about grammar we use the word tense. हम जब ग्रामर की बात करते हैं तब हम टेंस के बारे में सुनते हैं. हम टेंस का यूज भी करते हैं. टेंस रियली मीन्स टाइम. टेंस का रियली मीनिंग होता है टाइम. एंड वी टॉक अबाउट अ वर्ब बिगिन इन अ सर्टेन टेंस. टेंस आर यूजुअली डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 ग्रुप्स. द पास्ट, द प्रेजेंट, द फ्यूचर. पास्ट यानी कि जो बीत चुका है, प्रेजेंट यानी कि अभी जो चल रहा है, फ्यूचर यानी कि जो होने वाला है, yesterday, today, tomorrow. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू से आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल नाउ, यहाँ पे अभी जाने की बात किया जा रहा है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट, प्रेजेंट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. आई वेंट टू द स्कूल यस्टरडे, मैं कल स्कूल गया था. हम यहाँ पे पास्ट के बारे में बात करें. आई शैल गो टू स्कूल टुमारो, कल मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, फ्यूचर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा सेंटेंस है बताएंगे. से विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर पास्ट, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर. आई वेंट टू कोणार्क लास्ट वीक, लास्ट वीक मतलब जा चुका हूँ, तो ये पास्ट. देन माई सिस्टर इज ईटिंग एन एप्पल, अभी खा रही है, प्रेजेंट. माई फादर इज ड्राइविंग हिज जीप, इट इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट सेंटेंस. Then number 4. Now use the following groups of words to form sentence in the tense shown in bracket. A. I apple eat. Present में इसको करना है I am eating apple. B. The two boys to school go next term. Future में the two boys will go to school in next term. My sister school go. Past में करना है my sister went to the school. Number 5. Now make up interesting sentence of your own using the following words. Go yesterday. इसको past में करना है I went to the park yesterday. Plan party, future. We like to plan party for the future. Travel America, इसको future में. We will travel to America next month. Okay. So this is about all the questions of section number 4. I hope सबको पसंद आ गया होगा और सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Share this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also comment down below to let me know that you get it clearly. That's all for today. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.